Shri Matre Namaha.
Before getting into Lalitopakyayanam, let us know about Lord Hayagriva and sage Agastya, as this Lalitopakyayanam is the dialogue between Lord Hayagriva and sage Agastya. This Charitram is preached to Agastya by Hayagriva. Lalita Mahatripura Sundari is the Panchakritya Parayana, Pancha Brahma Swarupini, that is 5 actions, 5 kriyas by Mata. Creation Shakti in Brahma, Protection Shakti in Vishnu, Destruction Shakti in Rudra, Tirobhavam or Maya Shakti in Maheshwaran, and Anugrahams, blessings Shakti in Sadashivam. All the kriyas of these Ishwaras is only due to Ma Shakti, Devi Shakti. Once upon a time, all these Ishwaras developed an I, me, that is self-ego. Brahma forgets that there is a Shakti inside him which helps in creation, Kriya. Rather, developed Ahankara that he only creates the entire universe. If Brahma stops creating the universe, other Ishwaras would not have any work to do. When the Ahankaram of I develops within, immediately one will start doing mistakes. So here, Brahma started developing this I Ahankaram. Usually, Brahma creates everything by chanting the Veda mantras. For example, if he says Bhuhu, Yat will be created. Ashrughram means humans will be created. But since Brahma chants with Mamadai, that is the ego, these Vedic mantras did not work and give any creation. If we do any puja or mantra with Ahankaram, it will not give any fruitful result. Same way, Brahmadeva with his Ahankaram forgets the Paradevatai Devi and starts using the mantra, but nothing is created. So, he developed a confusion and approached his father Mahavishnu and inquired about this. He inquired Vishnu why all his creation kriya is not working. Lord Vishnu explains, Brahma, you did not create anything, but able to create only due to Shakti of Lalita Parashakti. So, you seek forgiveness to Lalitai and do Ashwamedha Yagam for 1000 yugas. After hearing Lord Vishnu's explanations, Brahma realized his mistakes and accepted that hereafter he will pray Goddess Lalita Mahatripura Sundari and will perform 1000 yugas of Ashwamedha Yagam. Also, Brahma asked his father Mahavishnu, you are the protector, since I will be performing 1000 Maha Ashwamedha Yagam for 1000 years, Yugams, there will not be any Srishti, and Asuras start disturbing my Yagam. Disturbances may happen in the performance of my Yajnam. So, you should protect me during these performances. Brahma prayed Vishnu. Vishnu accepted and Ashwamedha Yagam has started over for 1000 yugam. Vishnu protects day and night for 1,000 yugams so that Brahma could do his Ashwamedha Yaga. At the end of 1,000 yugam, Brahma got his creation energy back, given by goddess Lalita.
Since Vishnu was taking care the yajna for 1,000 years without rest, because of the tiredness, Vishnu enters into sleep on above a bow or banam. Brahma could not wake Vishnu as he is his father. Now, again problem started that who would start protect the creations created by Brahma. Everybody started praying to Mahavishnu, but no result. Nobody could wake up Mahavishnu. Then Brahma asked all the devas to cut the bow or the banam so that Vishnu could wake up. As they did, Vishnu's head got cut by mistake. In the other side, there was one Asuran or demon named Hayagrivan. He was a Devi Upasakan and also horse-faced. He got a boon that anyone with his similar face, that is horse-faced person, can only able to kill him. Now Devas and Brahma prayed again to Lord Vishnu to protect them from this Asuran or demon. In this time, Mahavishnu's head also got cut. So all, including Devas and Brahma, again prayed to Lalita Jaganmata. Pleased by their prayers, Mata Lalita Tripura Sundari came in front of them. Then Jaganmata explains that Vishnu also had developed an ahankaram, that is ego, for protecting the yagam for 1,000 years. That is one reason Vishnu's head also got cut. Another reason is Vishnu's head got cut so that his head could be replaced with horse's face and can do the samharam of Hayagrivan Asuran. So, a horse's face can be kept for Lord Mahavishnu. So, Vishnu is called as Hayagriva. Haya means horse and Griva means neck. This is how Hayagriva Avataram happened. After killing the Asuran, Lalita Parameshwari tells Hayagriva, you destroyed Asuran Hayagrivan. You should now go to Kanchi and will pray and do puja to me. There you will meet sage Agastya and will preach Agastya Siddhar about my avatars, mahimai, mantra, shlokas and stotrams, and also the Dikshay. So now Hayagriva has come to Kanchipuram due to the Ajna of Devi.